Thomas Tire Sales, we care about our customers' safety and reliability. That's why we've chosen the Tornado heavy-duty commercial truck tire to service your needs. We offer premium 16-ply steer and drive tires. Our GC-A series tires are built with durability and extended life. The GC-A delivered with a variety of wide base on and off highway applications. This tire is ideal for concrete mixers, dump trucks and waste sanitation trucks. We offer installation, tire balance, and alignment. Be sure to stop by, call or visit our website at www.thomastiresales.com.
Please remember to like, comment, and share if you liked this video.